Assalamualaikum. Marhaba. Sabal khair. Kepal hal, my friend? How are you today? Shout out to all Dubai duty free, Emirates Airline, marhaba, dinata. To all airport staff, take care always, stay healthy, enjoy your life. Best regards to all my big boss, Boss Sanjay, Boss Shapik. Stay safe always. Hello guys, good morning. How are you today? It's a beautiful day, guys. We have a play today. Lancer versus UP. 9:45 AM. Shout out to all OFW, especially in Dubai. Stay safe, stay strong always. Allen, aka Kyrie, Boss Herbert, Rakam Wahid. Shout out Versace Creation, YSL, number 1, Rakam Wahid, Mia Mia. Hello madam, good morning. Baby boy, good morning. How are you? You're in YouTube.
Say hi, vlog.
Hello, say hello.
Like
Hello.
and subscribe.
Hello, pretty boy. Good morning. Where's your daddy? Where's your daddy? Oh, okay. Madam, good morning. Good morning. How are you? Hello. How are you?
Good
morning.
Number 1.
Shout out, Sisley.
Good morning.
Number 1.
Good morning.
Number 5 and number 15 again. Dito babalik lang.
Second quarter.
Okay, nanti ka na. Nanti ka na rin yun. Number 5. Alright. Side stepping move.
Basket.
Number 2. Ayun, number 5. Bisa mercado. Mr. Yorme, ang hirap ng ginagawa mo, Sir Yorme, ha? Vlogging, sabay, playing. Pili ka na nung gumagalaw na,
Ang budget boss eh. Ang bayad sa gobyerno, wala pa. Boss, second game kayo.
Second game. Pasok na.
Boss, how are you?
Idol siya, followers of Yorme.
Bang, bang,
Yorme
bang.
23, bang, bang, bang.
Ryan Bulit. Shout out.
Yun, Yorme.
Hello to Alan and Ma'am Ibet. Take care always. Score 29-16, second quarter. Last 42 seconds. 3 points. Basket. Hello to all Ticom boys. Stay pretty boy. Allen, 3 points!
Penalina, di pa ito natira. Hindi pa natira. Ayan.
3 points!
3 points. Once again, third personal foul para kay Silva. Yeah.
Walo lang yan! Kaya pa yan! Three points! Hi to my friend Shipsy, Terminal 3, Sandro, Cox, aka Lebron, Pareng Albert, Eman, Jigs ng Gucci, Ernie. Stay healthy, stay pretty boy.
Ano pa yung wag mo magmadali?
Pare, angat tayo, pare, angat tayo.
Atake, atake!
Angat tayo kasi.
Alam mo yung matitira lang tayo, ha?
Angat tayo. Sacrifice tayo, angat tayo.
Kaya pa yan, kaya pa yan. Last 1 minute, 46 seconds.
Commissioner Reyes. Does that take that shot? Good. Second try. Alright. Yung ugat natin.
Sure ball, pare.
Basket. Dalawa lang, 32 seconds. Oh, Mr. X. Crucial free throw missed. Second try. I repeat, both team have first. Last timeout. Wala pa rin. Rebound Mercado. Belga. Ito si Mercado. Ganda.
Hawak!
14 shoot. Mr. Carion. Block. Block again. Alright. Teka na.
Last 14 seconds.
Time.
Guys, thank you for watching. Stay safe. Stay healthy always. Enjoy your life. Eight seconds, 60, 56. Ball.
At the end of the ball game, what a game, UP versus Green Lasers. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Green Team Lancer. Don't forget, subscribe Yorme 23. Maasalam. We love you all.